Good morning, dear students. Today, class BSc portion subject physics. Topic name is interference. Unit 1 is interference. Okay, now I would like to discuss about that. What is interference? And I will discuss about the what is interference in phenomena of superposition of two or more waves is known as interference of light. Or interference is the change in average energy flux density caused by the superposition of electromagnetic waves. Okay, now understanding the interference, we must go beyond our restrictions of geometrical optics and employ the full power of wave optics. In fact, as so we'll see, the existence of interference phenomena is the perhaps our most continuous evidence that light is wave because interference cannot be explained other than the waves. Okay, now so Huygens wave theory of light. This is most important in the 2 marks questions. Okay, in physicist Huygens proposed wave theory of light in 1678. According to this theory of light is form of wave motion which is the produced by mechanical vibration of all providing homogeneous medium called either it is the hypothetical medium is embodied with the properties of elasticity and inertia, and it is the able to propagate wave motion the distance or travel in all direction through the medium, and different colors of light are given by the different wavelength. Okay, Huygens supposed that the light waves were longitudinal, but it was later explained by the Fresnel by prism. This is also the Huygens wave theory of light, and Young that these waves are the transverse in nature based on the wave theory of light. This is known as the phenomena like reflection or refraction, total internal reflection where explained the satisfactory or satisfactorily, but it is failed to explain the rectilinear propagation of light, diffraction and polarization. Already have studied the reflection, refraction and total internal reflection and rectilinear propagation of light on diffraction and polarizations. Okay, wavefront, see here, dear students, that is the wavefront. See here diagram, that is the source. Okay, this is the S is the source. According to that Huygens principle of a source of light is the S is the homogeneous hypothetical medium called either sense but waves in all direction. These waves carry energy which is transmitted in all directions. Which is the S is the S is the source of light. It sends light energy the form of wave in all directions. Okay, after an internal of time, that is the after internal of time t, and all the particle of the medium lying in the surface AB are vibrating in the same phase. That is the AB is the partially or partition or which is has drawn with S at S at the center and radius SA equal to CT. That is the C is the velocity of light A and the area of the light, and the T is the time. Okay, the surface AB is called the primary wavefront. That is the A wavefront is defined as the locus of all such a points which are the same state of vibration, that is in the same phase. Okay, next one is the That is the most important concept is the Fresnel by prism. Okay, now I will start it. That is the most important 5 marks important questions in examination. Okay, Fresnel by prism. This is made up of two acute angled biprism with their bases in contact, forming a single obtuse angled with or of its angle nearly 179 degree and either two of OS each. The prism is placed with refracting edge parallel to the line joining the source and the point O on the screen placed. It is perpendicular to that of the plane of the paper. A narrow slit is illuminated with monochromatic source of light. The biprism P is kept with its refracting edge parallel to the slit as shown in the figure. Okay, a light from S falling in the biprism emerges from its two parts of the two divergent, becomes diverge at the where two beams of light cross, which is either interference takes place. Interference fringes are seen and the screen XY. These fringes are the parallel to each other. Limiting screen AB are placed shown in the figure. Interference bends will be seen only in the region L M on this source. S is the adjusted that the vertical images, and S1 and S2 are very close to each other, that is the interference fringes are equal width and produced between L and M, and the screen placed at the distance y from the biprism to observe the fringes screen is replaced by a micrometer eyepiece. Okay, this is the 5 marks important questions present by prism. Next one, Stokes treatment of reflection and refractions. Okay, okay. Now I will stop it. Next class I will discuss about the some important topic.